Hey guys, so if you're considering this smart toilet, there is one thing I think you should know before buying it. And no, it's not enough to stop me from recommending it. In fact, 7 months later, I would still choose this toilet again. This toilet was gifted to me for review, but now that I've been using it daily for about 7 months, I wanted to share a real long-term update. So over the last 7 months, I've continued to love just about everything about this toilet. The heated seat, the bidet functions are amazing. The automatic lid, the touchless flushing, the foam feature, and even the lighting. Honestly, once you get used to these features, it's hard to imagine going back to a regular toilet. As a matter of fact, I'm traveling right now and having to remember that I actually need to manually flush the toilet, which is crazy. But there is one thing that I've noticed. So over time, a yellowish heat stain or discoloration has developed on the seat. And before anyone panics, let me explain. The seat actually still works perfectly. The heating function still works. The bidet still works. The automatic features still work. This is strictly a cosmetic issue that I've observed. And looking back on it, I think that I may have contributed to it by leaving the heated seat on at all times. So if I were starting over, I'd probably be a bit more intentional about using the temperature settings instead of keeping the seat heated 24/7. So I did do a little research, and it's not exclusive to this brand. Pretty much any smart toilet that has continuous heat can contribute to that yellow discoloration. So that's just a very big tip that I thought would be helpful for you guys who are considering buying this. And actually, there's one more thing. This toilet is super loud. I've gotten used to it. My husband has gotten used to it. So if we use the bathroom in the middle of the night, it doesn't really affect us anymore. But if you're a light sleeper and this toilet is like in an ensuite or something like that, or you have a baby nearby that, sleeps lightly, this toilet could actually wake them up. So now for the things that I love. The heated seat is absolutely still my favorite feature. The bidet functions are also amazing because you can control that water temperature, which in the winter, let me tell you, that was amazing. So even though I have found a few cons with this, it would not stop me from recommending this toilet. I still love this toilet because when I compare that one cosmetic issue to the comfort, convenience, and features I use every single day, the experience that I've had with it, and my husband included, is overwhelmingly positive. So just keep in mind, don't use any harsh chemicals on the toilet because that also can cause discoloration. And when you're not using the toilet, just go ahead and turn off the heated seat so that you don't develop this discoloration like you have here.